Hey guys, welcome back to Ming and James. So I just wanted to show you guys the two ponies that I got from insert name here. So I ordered two ponies from insert name here. It took about, I would say about a week for both of them to come. It was fairly quick. It was way quicker than I actually thought, especially with everything going on right now. I thought it would take a while for things to get delivered. But yeah, so here's the first pony. Literally waited to open this for you guys. I wanted to open it as soon as I got it. I was like, wait, I gotta show them the whole unboxing. So this is what's in the first one. I actually don't know which ponytail this is until I see it. So comes with this cute little welcome to the INH fam. No bad hair days. It comes with a cute bag to hold the hair in, so it's nice so it doesn't get all tangled up and everything. And this is the hair, so this one looks like the more wavy pony I got. It's the Brit Pony in ash blonde. My hair is not like ash blonde, but I feel like if it's over my pony, you won't really be able to tell. Let's just open this up right now. What is this? Comes in my hair now. Whoa. It's really long. It's way longer than I thought it was gonna be. A cute little curl for the part that wraps over the ponytail. Alright, I'm gonna put up my hair and then try to put this on. Okay, so I put my hair in a ponytail where I think I'm gonna want the hair to be clipped in. I'm just gonna like braid my hair a little bit down since it's kind of puffy. And then we'll put it in. Okay, time to put this pony in. So the curling part is kind of tangly. Just push it through a little bit. Yeah, it's a little tangly, so just make sure you try to unravel it as much as you can and keep it smooth. Okay, gotta unravel this Velcro part. There's a clip in here. I want to put this part right here. I've never put a ponytail in, but I've put like wigs on, and I like fake hair. I think there is fun. Oh, I should have took the bobby pins out first. So I just wrap that Velcro around my own ponytail. I'm holding on to this curly piece to wrap around the pony. It's so much hair that you gotta make sure you're holding the right pieces. Jesus Christ. Holy shit. That's so much hair. Definitely not complaining. my ponytail is. I'm gonna hold my ponytail up and the hair up. We'll like wrap this under, let go, do it again. Just like squeezing it as tight as I can to cover up where the pony meets my hair. Alright, let's freaking try this again. It's not as easy as it, like, people made it look. Or am I just not understanding how to put this on? The braid, I don't know, maybe it's just the braid that's not allowing me to do it as easily. I'm gonna just put it in a bun. Maybe that'll help. I don't know if I'm like the only one that's like having this much trouble put this ponytail in. Yeah, that works much better. Much better. Yeah, so the bun definitely worked out better for me. So yeah, here's the look. Second pony. Let's get it. Okay. Same stuff, except different hair. This one is the Shayla Pony. It's in honey. So let's see what this one looks like. I got honey and ash blonde because they kind of look the same. So this is a pretty blonde as well. This one's really soft too. I think this one is in. It doesn't feel as heavy as the other one. It's a lot flowy, like it's like lighter and fluffy. It kind of looks like my own hair, but more even and more light blonde. I think I put the bun in the right spot too, so I like that. It really looks like natural. So yeah, this was really fun. I like this brand. I probably will be ordering some more here from them. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a beat. Thanks, and see you next time.